The Making of Scientists by Robert W. Peterson. Are scientists born brilliant? Or do they grow through curiosity, failure, and patience? The Making of a Scientist by Robert W. Peterson tells the story of a young man whose simple curiosity slowly turned him into a great scientist. The story is about Richard Ebright. He was curious, hardworking, and deeply interested in science. As a child, he was not interested in sports. Instead, he spent his time collecting butterflies, reading books, and doing experiments. Richard's mother played an important role in his life. She encouraged his curiosity, bought him science books, took him on trips, and helped him in his projects. She never forced him. She simply supported his interests. At first, Richard's hobby was simple. He collected butterflies. By the time he reached second grade, he had already collected all the butterflies in his town. Richard wanted to win a science fair, but his early projects were not successful. He did not win any prizes, still did not give up. One day, his mother gave him a book called The Travels of Monarch X. The book described how monarch butterflies migrate, means to move from one place to another in a regular pattern. The book suggested an experiment. It explained how to tag butterflies to study their movement. Richard followed these instructions. This was his first real scientific project. In 8th grade, he again entered a science fair. This time, he tried a new idea. He studied why the cells of a monarch butterfly were different from other cells. His experiment failed, but failure taught him something important. Later, he worked on another project. He discovered that a hormone controlled the growth of butterfly wings. This was an important scientific finding. Because of his work, Richard won many prizes, received scholarships, and became famous as a young scientist. He eventually became a successful biologist. According to his teacher, there were 3 important qualities in Richard. Curiosity, he always asked questions. Perseverance, he never gave up. A desire to do the best for the right reason. The chapter shows that scientists are made through curiosity, hard work, and patience. Success does not come in one day. Richard Ebright did not start as a famous scientist. He started as a curious boy with a butterfly net. And sometimes a small curiosity is enough to begin a great journey. Read slowly, think deeply. This is Quiet Recall.